Hi everyone, welcome to another session in Adobe Premiere Pro where I will be teaching you on how you can create this boomerang effect in your video editing software. So as you all must be familiar with this effect, the boomerang effect, because you can easily make this on social media websites such as Instagram, right? So you can also create this type of a boomerang effect in Premiere Pro very easily. And I will not be using any special effects. I will be only be using one particular video and I'll show you how. So without further ado, let's begin right away. As you can see, I have my Premiere Pro opened up and this is the video that I will be using. So it's of this lady over here and then she has this colored smoke over here like this, right? So what I will be doing is that I will be clipping this video to about till the time she comes till over here, probably like till here. Okay. So I'm going to use my razor tool. I'm going to make a cut over here. Okay. And I'm going to delete this excess right here. Okay. So I have this short 5 seconds clip, approximately 5 seconds clip over here. Okay. So now what I will be doing is that I will be making a copy of this over here at the start. Okay. So as you can see, there is a slight miss of a beat over here, but I'm going to show you how the boomerang effect works, right? So I want this to be going in a particular loop, right? So I'll select the second clip, right click on this, and I'll go to the speed and duration effect over here and I will be selecting this reverse speed. Okay, that's it. So now if I play this video like this over here, you will see that the boomerang effect has been added like this. Okay, so as you can see, it's literally that easy to create this boomerang effect. Of course, now what I can do is select these two videos again and I can repeat the same process multiple times, right? So I'm going to make another one over here like this, okay? So slightly longer video over here. So now you can see that it's literally this easy to create a boomerang effect, okay? So this is going to keep going on for as long as you want it to go, like that. And of course, once this is made, you can also add this in your social media websites as well. So that's about it. So I hope you found this video to be useful, and with a little practice you can create more such kinds of a boomerang effect. And don't forget to save your files in an Adobe Premiere Pro format. So thank you for watching and stay tuned for more.